In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Webull desktop app. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to their official website, which is webull.com, and then up here you have a bunch of different things. You should hover over platforms, and then the first thing is desktop app, new version. Click on this, and then once you do this, you'll see, there we go, it's going to direct you to this website where you can then download for whatever basically you are using. So here I'm going to do for Windows, but if you're using Linux or Mac, you can do that as well. So let me click on Windows. You just want to click on the one that's relevant for you. And then as you can see, it's going to start automatically downloading to your computer. Once that's downloaded, you can see this is the setup. You want to just click on that. And then once you click on it, you will have to confirm your PIN, you'll have to verify it, there we go. And then once you're here, it's gonna say, basically you have to select if you want to create a desktop shortcut. I do not, so I'm just gonna click on next. And then after you're done, just click install. And then once you click install, it will be installed to your computer. Now I'm gonna exit this setup because over here, I have Webull desktop installed already. And then you can just search for Webull desktop once you've installed it, and there we go. As you can see, I now have Webull for desktop. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.